Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain you how to dry scent from the forest. So first of all, you need to steal these from from some kit if you have some kit nearby you, and then you need to go to the forest and you need to collect the scent.
Mm-hmm.
After this, you need to bring the bucket to your place and to wait until the night when all the neighbors will be sleeping. When you realize that all your neighbors are sleeping, you need to put the bucket to your room and to take the scent out of the bucket, like this. Actually, we don't need this anymore, and you can give it back to the kid, and you can put the scent out of the bucket, like this. So to make scent properly dry, you need to put it to the whole piece of paper or newspaper, whatever, and you need to wait until the morning. Voila,